Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. That truck driver must be thinking, what the heck is that driver doing? This Tesla driver thought he could take off. Maybe he needs to update his software first.
A few moments later.
I'm still struggling to understand if that was autopilot or the driver.
Jesus Christ, what the f***?
It's a big rig here and lift it from the top.
Yeah, that's from
I wasn't reordered it. Yeah.
We're in the Rough and Road area, Balboa, and we had essentially an operator error today. A person driving a Tesla vehicle was a little bit distracted as they pulled into a parking lot. We're in an area where there's multi-levels of parking areas and structures, and they hit the accelerator pedal in their vehicle, shot over the little curb that's in the generally all parking areas, and came down on top of a vehicle in the lot below. That just happened to be one of our new ambulance provider ambulances.
Those tints aren't even that dark. How can he not see? Comment below if you have tints and what percentage they are. This Tesla driver thought it was clever to record himself speeding on a busy road. A Tesla driver crashed into someone who was broken down in the middle of the road. While the Tesla driver is doing his thing, can someone please just tell me where this is? What country? It looks so peaceful out there. A Tesla driver ran a red light, and guess where this was? Miami, Florida. He was very lucky that an ambulance was right there at the light. This Tesla driver caught a road rage incident. How high is his ego 1 out of 10? What type of logic is this? This Tesla's emergency brake saved this driver. Do you think they would have survived if the car they hit wasn't a truck? Watch a Tesla trying to run from the cops. What a smart thing to do, especially in a car with at least 5 cameras.
A few moments later.
I think they both really like that far left lane. Can he get any closer to the Tesla? Why would he try to overtake him from that side? Okay, I think he gave up. Wait, no, they're still going. Okay, I think the Tesla gave up here, or the autopilot threatened to shut itself off. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.